Today we'll learn to create digital cards. For that, open Canva, click on Create a Design, search for Folded Card Portrait and follow the steps. Change the color of the page as per your choice. Go to Elements tab, search for stars and do the following. Click on Add a heading, then enter the text as per your choice. Change the font style. Add the effects as curve. Party poppers and follow the steps in designing and giving your card a final look. And now here's the final preview of your card. You can use it as a means of earning by selling these digital cards on Amazon, eBay, etc. We'll meet again with new topic and video. Till then, bye bye.